According to Russell and Norvig, there are 4 main categories of AI. These categories are split by either acting or thinking, and once more separated by whether these are done so humanly or rationally. If one of these intelligent systems were to create art, where would that fall? Is making art strictly human behavior? What if art could be rationalized by AI? Neural networks are what will make all of the preceding examples in this video possible. And to be more specific, it is CNNs, or convolutional neural networks, that are used to rationalize the basics of human art. A neural network is a series of algorithms that seek to identify patterns in datasets. The network takes input, and through its learning process is able to predict the output given similar data. A neural network contains nodes, which each perform a task. Input nodes at the start of the process take in data which is sent to the hidden layer. The hidden layer, or layers, make decisions on how to classify the data, which then gets sent to the output layer. The output layer presents its prediction. When the network is in its learning stage, if the output of the system is incorrect, weights that exist within the hidden layers of the network are adjusted. The network is then ran again and again until it has learned sufficiently and has an accurate output. What's special about a CNN is that its hidden layers contain convolutional layers. These layers, which perform convolution operations, are able to detect patterns in images. These contain filters, which are able to recognize complex structures in images. At the beginning of a network, a filter may be used to detect edges, corners, circles, and other simple geometric objects. The deeper the network goes, the more sophisticated these filters become. The system may be able to detect more specific textures, features, and unique objects. This learning and feature detection is what allows computer-generated art to become a reality. Google Deep Dream is an image neural network that outputs bizarre and psychedelic images. Once described as a digital Salvador Dali, Deep Dream alters input images by morphing its input features to resemble that of other objects in odd ways. Anything that resembles the feature another image includes is maximized for morphing in the network. This can turn a simple landscape photo into a warped nightmare filled with amalgamated creatures. While the appeal looking into a project like this is simply the fun of creating strange images, networks with a clear visual output can help programmers understand how these systems actually process data. By changing values corresponding to certain layered depths within the neural network, one can observe which nodes are most responsible for the features present, whether it be edges, eyes, or even faces. This project aids in the development of these AI systems while also generating surreal art at a depth and pace no human could.
Pix2Pix is another neural network image generator, but in this instance, the output is produced based on a user-submitted drawing. The system uses edge detection paired with its previous training to generate a result from the lines drawn. The system has several variations. Artistic masterpieces submitted by the user can create animals, fashion, and even architecture. It's an impressive system that shows future promise for the ability to visualize basic or rough concepts in a short amount of time.
The last example to be presented in this video is a software called Absinthe. Absinthe, developed by Script Weapons, is a software that uses CNNs to transfer image style onto moving images. Using an initial style for input, the program maps the image's features onto the movement of a secondary media. What once would have required hundreds of images and mass amounts of manual effort can now be accomplished with one image and the click of a button.
This technology shows an amazing performance in emulating human art. It provides a fair amount of amusement and is able to visually demonstrate the consequences of changes in neural networks. It also provides a new and interesting method to create visuals, while also standing on its own as a learning tool. It seems clear that in the near future, machines will be able to create their own pieces with diminishing user input. How long will it be before you visit the AI art gallery?